Alhamdulillah, our hearts proclaim Subhanallah, we praise His name. Allahu Akbar, in all we do. La ilaha illallah, forever true. Astaghfirullah, when we've gone astray, we seek His mercy every day. Inshallah, for what's yet to come.